that's the northeast corner right back there. There's lots of water streaming out in that direction as well. And swinging over to my left, this is that drainage channel that we've shown photos of in the past. It's 6 p.m. sharp. And so here we have a river that's not even at a 1 in 5 year flood, and it's all surface connecting, flowing out towards Hobbs Creek. 50 centimeters deep in the middle to my left and towards the west. Here's the surface connectivity to the large pond at the north end of the property. And swinging towards the east. There's the channel. It just heads out there to where we were moments ago. We're looking upstream. And this is also one of the places where there's a dip in the bank, in the levee. And right now, so we're at 7 o'clock, the river's finally topping here, and it's flowing along at a pretty good clip actually, about 10 centimeters deep, and heading off behind me towards the channel. Here's the landfill overgrown with vegetation, and I'm immediately north of the cottonwood stand here, and this is all surface connected floodwaters. This area I'm standing on is actually a road that's been pushed down onto the floodplain. Immediately on the other side, you'll see in a moment, is the connection to the river where it's overtopping. So there's lots of water flowing over the banks now. Looking northward along the fence line and the road, and at this point 60-70 centimeters deep, actively flowing. It would be flowing due east into this buried backwater area. That's the 5 acres we've been talking about, but this has all been infilled with the landfill, so it's trying its next best thing, and that is just to follow the edge of the landfill northward. And so the water that we were following along the fence line that went into the cottonwood stand comes out here. Instead of the water flowing underneath this landfill and filling these deep channels, which have all been infilled, it's going along the edge of the landfill.